Switching between Revit and AutoCAD doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to export your Revit 3D model into AutoCAD. First, open your 3D model in Revit. Ensure that everything you want to export is visible and that you're in the correct 3D view. Next, go to the top left corner and click on File. Then choose Export. From there, select CAD Formats and click on DWG. In the Export Settings window, you'll see options for layers, units, and object styles. Adjust these settings if needed to match your AutoCAD project requirements. For most cases, the default settings work well. Now choose the view or sheet you want to export. Usually, you'll pick the active 3D view. Then, select a folder to save your DWG file and give it a name. Finally, click Export. Revit will process the file and create a DWG that's ready to use in AutoCAD. This may take a few seconds, depending on the complexity of your model. Once the export is complete, open the DWG file in AutoCAD to verify everything is transferred correctly. Check the geometry, layers, and units to ensure compatibility. And that's it. Exporting your Revit model to AutoCAD is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.